Did you know Jesus almost got murdered in his own hometown for telling them God loved outsiders too? Dear Nazareth, this is your wake-up call. You watched me grow up, saw me learning carpentry from Joseph, playing in your streets with the other kids. You thought you knew exactly who I was and what I'd become. Then I came back after starting my ministry, walked into that same synagogue where I'd sat as a boy, started teaching with authority you'd never heard before. At first you were amazed, impressed even, but then reality hit. This was just Mary's son, the carpenter's kid. You knew my brothers and sisters. How dare I act like I had something special to offer? When I reminded you that God sent Elijah to help a foreign widow instead of Israelite women, and Elisha healed a Syrian general instead of Jewish lepers, you lost it completely, tried to throw me off a cliff, but I walked right through your angry mob and left forever. You put me in a box based on your limited view. Sometimes breakthrough means leaving people who refuse to see your potential.